Introduction to Corporate Finance. The term finance is related to money and money management. Success of any business organization depends upon the efficiency with which it is able to generate and use funds. Henry Ford rightly states, money is an arm or leg. Use it or lose it. This statement clearly brings out the significance of finance for the success of a business. Finance is related to money and money management. Financial management mainly concerned with raising of finance and effectively using it for achievement of goals of the organization. According to Henry Ford, money is an arm or leg. Use it or lose it. This statement clearly says that finance is very important for success of any business. Importance of corporate finance. Keyword is given for this answer. HBMRP. Point 1. Helps in decision making. Most of the important decisions of business enterprise are determined on the basis of availability of funds. It is difficult to perform any function of business independently without finance. Every decision in the business is needed to be taken keeping in view of its impact on profitability. Helps in decision making. There are several decisions that have to be done on the basis of available capital and limited resources. If an organization has to start a new project, then it has to consider whether it would be financially viable and if it would yield profits. So while investing in a new project or a new venture, a company has to consider several things like availability of finance, the time taken for its completion, etc., and then make decisions accordingly. Point 2. Helps in research and development. Research and development must be undertaken for the growth and expansion of business. Detailed technical work is essential for execution of projects. Research and development is a lengthy process and therefore funds have to be made available throughout the research work. Helps in research and development. In order to survive in a market for a long duration, a business organization needs to continuously research the market and develop new products to appeal the consumer. It may even have to upgrade its old product to compete with new vendors in the market. Point 3. Helps in raising capital for a project. Whenever a business firm wants to start a new venture, it needs to raise capital. Business firm can raise funds by issuing shares, debentures, bonds, or even by taking loans from the bank. Helps in raising capital for a project. When an organization has to invest in a new venture, it is very important that it has to raise capital. This can be done by selling bonds and debentures, stock of the company, taking loans from the banks, etc. All this can be done only by managing corporate finance in a proper manner. Point 4. Helps in smooth running of business funds. A smooth flow of corporate finance is needed so that salaries of employees are paid on time, loans are cleared on time, raw material is purchased whenever required, sales promotion of existing product is carried out smoothly, and new product can be launched effectively. Helps in smooth running of business firm. Finance is needed for conducting business smoothly. It is needed as working capital. It is needed for paying day-to-day expenses, advertising, sales promotion, distribution, etc. A company cannot run smoothly without finance. Point 5. Brings coordination between various activities. Corporate finance plays significant role in control and coordination of all activities in organization. Example given: production will suffer if finance department does not provide adequate finance for the purchase of raw materials and meeting other day-to-day financial requirements for smooth running of production units. Due to this, sales will also suffer and so will be profit. Brings coordination between various activities. Coordination is most important part of management. Finance holds the key to all activities of organization such as production, distribution, and marketing. These activities will hamper if not supported by proper financial planning. It is responsibility of finance managers to bring about coordination among all department heads of organization. Point 6. Managing risk. Company has to manage several risks such as sudden fall in sales, loss due to natural calamity, loss due to strikes, etc. Company needs financial aid to manage such risks. Managing risk. Running a business involves taking several risks. Not all risks can be foreseen, although you can transfer some of these risks to third parties by buying an insurance policy. You cannot have every contingency covered by your insurer. You would have to keep some amount aside to tide over this situation. Point 7. Replace old assets. Assets such as plant and machinery becomes old and outdated over the years. They have to be replaced by new assets. Finance is required to purchase new assets. Replace old assets. Some assets become old and outdated over the years. You will require to keep aside some amount of money to purchase new assets. Only then you could be assured that it will yield good results over the period of time. In the fast changing times of today, if this is not done, you might end up losing business if you do not have finance for it. Point 8. Promotes expansion and diversification. Modern machine and modern techniques are required for expansion and diversification. Corporate finance provides money to purchase modern machines and technology. Therefore, finance becomes mandatory for expansion and diversification of a company. Promotes expansion and diversification. Before an organization decides to expand or diversify into new arena, it has to consider various aspects like capital available, risk involved, the amount to be invested for purchase of new equipment, etc. All this can be done by experts and this would be very beneficial for the organization. Point 9. Payment of taxes or fees. Company has to pay taxes to government such as income tax, goods and service tax, and fees to register of companies on various occasions. Finance is needed for paying these taxes and fees. Payment of taxes or fees. There are many government agencies such as income tax authorities, sales tax authorities, register of companies, etc. The companies has to pay tax and duties to these agencies. Finance is needed for paying these taxes and duties. Point 10. Payment of dividend and interest. Finance is needed to pay dividend to shareholders, interest to creditors, banks, etc. Payment of dividend and interest. The company has to pay dividends to shareholders. It has to pay interest to the debenture holders, banks, etc. It also has to repay the loans. Finance is needed to pay dividend and interest.